We've had a really nice run of what I guess we'll call late spring weather in recent days.
Yeah.
And but the spring weather is also supposed to include some rain, so it's time.
We're getting there. It's really interesting watching people just check off things from the to-do list that they're afraid to do unless they know it's going to be dry for a while. I saw 3 roofs going in, like on my drive to and from work, and I'm like, well.
Now the key is deciding when can we mow the lawn.
Right.
You know, when will it be too wet? And, you know.
I'd do it now if you can. Well, not now because you have to
right
watch.
this minute, but
rush home.
You have to watch this and then the ads. But after that, that would be a good time to do it because we will have some rain for the next couple of days, and the lawn will probably really sprout out after that. Nice day today. I mean, just ideal, right? 73 in Portland, 80 in Sanford, 83 in Freiburg. Actually, a little bit warmer than I forecast for today, which I can live with. The reason for that is that clouds, I was thinking, would come in around noon. Instead, they came in around 3, which doesn't sound like a big difference, but it kind of is because it gives you a couple of peak heating hours in there, and that drove temperatures up, especially across western and southwestern Maine. Clouding up, though, at the mid and upper levels right now. And here's our next storm system. It's a cold front that's going to come through tonight. Now, because it's not moving all that fast, it'll come through in the middle of the night tonight, but it will take at least the first couple hours of tomorrow morning to get through. So it won't be able to just come through kind of overnight tonight, which would be a little bit more ideal, I guess. But clouding up continues. Rain probably holds off for a lot of us until midnight or after. And this model's pretty bullish with the rain amounts or the intensity of the rain with some downpours in there, maybe a rumble of thunder. I think that's doable based on what's going on the radar to the west of us right now. So rain continues. This is 6 in the morning, and I think it's a dreary start to the day for a lot of us. A lot of clouds, a lot of showers, a couple of downpours, but the front starts lifting out pretty quickly after that, and we end up dried out for a lot of us by 10 or 11 a.m. Middle of the day is pretty good. Couple of pop-up thunderstorms possible, kind of trailing behind this, but I think we've got a sneaky nice afternoon over western Maine, especially in the mid and maybe even upper 70s with some sun to end the day. So it is not a washout. The way to look at it, really good chance of rain in the morning and then decreasing rapidly, but after 10 a.m. I think we're going to be dry in a lot of spots, and then the afternoon looks good. Now these are interpolations of model data, so 0%, probably not 0, but under 5% chance of rain as you head into the afternoon. Tomorrow's not a washout. Thursday, I think, is. It's trended wetter and wetter, and so we start with clouds on Thursday, but we end up with rain through the morning, mid-morning hours, and then heavy through the afternoon and early evening before it moves out on Friday, and Friday looks pretty decent. And then the weekend, we're just threading the needle right now with the rain arriving Saturday night and then lasting just a few hours on Sunday before it gets out of here. But it's really close, so just stay with us on that, because if it moves by 5 or 6 hours, we're going to lose Sunday. Rainfall amounts. Could be an inch, inch and a half. Now, rain doesn't actually fall this way, right? Like 1.5, 1.5, 1.4. It doesn't happen. So there'll be winners and losers, so to speak, with this. I brought up the point before. This is the same forecast that we have to do with snow, except people don't care if you get 1 inch of rain, right, or 1.5.
It's not till you're talking about 5 or 6 inches of rain, then we'll be nervous.
Right. Then we worry about that. So guys, we do get the rain in here, but mostly looks like we're able to save the weekend, so hopefully we can hang on to that. That would be huge.
That's our motto, save the weekend.
Yeah, exactly.
Raining overnight while we're all sleeping, great.
Save the weekend and 4-day work week, the story we did earlier.
Yes,
those are the 2 mottos.
Bring it back.
Thanks,
Thank you, Keith.